Hello viewers, this is Meezard. Welcome to April 2017 PC build. Today I am here with a beast Ryzen PC build. You can play each and every AAA games with high graphics and you will get 60 plus FPS. Let's get started. CPU and cooler. For the Ryzen gaming build, we selected the AMD Ryzen R5 1500X as our processor. If you're not building a workstation or professional machine, this is the standard gaming builds at the moment. If you don't want to overclock your Ryzen, then stock AMD Ratespire cooler is best for you. Motherboard. In motherboard section, we selected MSI B350M Gaming Pro, Micro ATX AM4 motherboard. In that motherboard you will get everything you need. It supports overclocking so you can overclock your Ryzen. It is a budget motherboard so it don't have Crossfire and SLI support. In this build we used SSD and HDD both. In SSD section we used SanDisk SSD Plus which has 240 GB storage. In hard drive section, we used 1 TB WD Caviar Blue, 7200 RPM. You can store lot of things on that drive. GPU, with this budget, we decided to go most out on the graphics card. The Sapphire Radeon RX 488GB Nitro OC is one of the single best budget cards on the market right now. At 1080p you will not have any problems with AAA games. And front panel USB 3.0. For our power supply, we're using EVGA 500W 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. It can provide more than enough power for the system while at stock clocks or overclocking. This is our April 2017 gaming PC build. What PC build you want next, please let me know. If you are enjoyed this video and want more videos, please like and subscribe. Peace.